Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Cured Whole Muscle Meats 101, Introduction to Cured Whole Muscle Meats. Cured whole muscle meats are any whole muscle cut of meat that you're going to cure and then cook. Popular examples of this would be bacon and hams. Now generally these are larger and thicker cuts of meat that we want to cook slowly, so curing allows us to make sure that the meat's going to stay safe through the cooking process, and we sometimes need to use slightly different methods to make sure that we're applying the cure effectively. When curing bacon, you can inject the cure directly into the belly or rub the outside of the belly with the cure and allow osmosis to bring the cure to the center of the meat. Since the bellies are generally thinner cuts of meat, you can use either one of the methods, or vacuum tumbling works perfectly fine as well. However, when we start talking about thicker cuts of meat like ham, we need to either change the cure we're going to be using or change the method of introducing the cure. Dry rubbing a thick cut like this with a normal cure isn't going to work. It's going to cause problems because the cure is going to lose its effectiveness before it fully penetrates the meat. For that reason, we always prefer injecting large whole muscle meats and then overnight holding it in a 50% strength solution. If you're using a traditional cure that contains nitrites and no additives, then you're going to have to hold it for 5 to 7 days after injecting. Or if you're using a cure accelerator, you can go almost directly to the smokehouse if you've used a vacuum tumbler, or just hold it overnight if you haven't. Now you need to cook the meat to a safe internal temperature, which will depend on what type of product you're making. Just remember that since they're thick cuts of meat, this process is going to take a while. Thicker hams can take well above 10 hours to get to a safe temperature. Now once the desired temperature has been reached, you need to stop the cooking process. This means that you'll have to either put the meat in an ice bath or shower it with water and allow the evaporation energy to cool the meat. Evaporation energy will actually be more efficient than using an ice bath, but that is dependent on your smoker having a shower cycle, and almost no retail smokehouses have that. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything but the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.